Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Incarcerated dancehall artist Vybz Kartel's latest album of Dons and Divas has returned to the #1 spot on the iTunes reggae chart. Of Dons and Divas charts ahead of Legend, the best of Bob Marley and the Wailers remastered album, and higher place by Skip Marley, which holds the #3 spot. Vybz Kartel's Of Dons and Divas consists of 18 songs and features artists Sika Rhymes, Lisa Hyper, TJ, Skilly Bang, Daddy One, Kartel's Sons, Lickle Addy, and Lickle Vybz, among others. Of Dons and Divas was released on all platforms on June 26. Now, last month, Kartel and his co-accused were granted leave to appeal their case in the United Kingdom Privy Council. The judgment was handed down in a virtual sitting of the downtown Kingston-based Court of Appeal. Grammy-winning reggae artist Buju Banton recently had the world premiere of his Blessed and Unity tracks live for EA Sports FIFA 21.
We are strive and a reach to be good. Them a fight and a spite through them in control. Them a real but a long time. We are fight for your slice of the bird.
The live performance follows the announcement that the reggae icon is featured on the official soundtrack for FIFA 21 with Unity that was taken from his Upside Down 2020 album. The FIFA soundtrack compilation is currently available on several digital platforms, including Spotify, Deezer, and Apple Music. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.